Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover pointer. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of pointer. Pointers are variables that can store address. Pointer can be used to point to variable of that particular type. Example, pointer of type int can store address of integer variables. I have defined variable of type string, int, float and double. Define the pointer for these variables to store address. We can display address of these variables using ampersand variable name or using pointer variable. We can display value of variable using variable name or using asterisk pointer. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer calculation notation. I have defined integer array. Assigned address of first element in array to integer pointer p. In displaying address and value using p and asterisk p, we can increment address after value is read without changing value using asterisk p plus plus or asterisk within brackets p plus plus. We can increment value after it's read without changing address using asterisk p within bracket plus plus. We can increment address before value is read without changing value using asterisk plus plus p or asterisk within brackets plus plus p. We can increment value before it's read without changing address using plus plus asterisk p or plus plus within brackets asterisk p. Same logic applies for decrement as well. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer. To read value, I have defined pointer to character array or string. And reading the string using cin and displaying using cout function. I have defined pointer to string. And reading the string using cin and displaying using cout function. I have defined pointer to integer. And reading the integer using cin and displaying using cout function. In the next program, I am going to cover null pointer. If we assign the value as null to pointer, then it's called null pointer, which is equivalent to 0. In the next program, I am going to cover new and delete pointer. We can allocate memory for pointer using new keyword. If memory is not allocated, null pointer will be returned. I am prompting to enter number, storing the number using pointer, and displaying the number entered using asterisk pointer name. And deallocating memory using delete keyword. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to constant value. If we define pointer using const keyword, we will not be allowed to change the value of variable using pointer. But we can change the address. If I remove the const keyword, I can change the value using pointer. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to constant address. If we define pointer using asterisk const keyword, we will not be allowed to change the address of pointer. But we can change the value of variable using pointer. If I remove the const keyword, I can change the address of pointer. In the next program, I am going to cover pointer to multi-dimensional array. I have created multi-dimensional array of type char. created char pointer and assigned to char array. And I am displaying the value in multi-dimensional array using for loop. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.